Hello children, welcome to our Adcock YouTube channel. After nouns, we are going to revise chapter 5. This is gender, okay? So it is for class 5, subject English grammar, chapter 5 nouns, gender. And we are having the book PC Ren's grammar. It is our lecture 1, okay, for revision of chapter 5. So let's start children. Okay, firstly we will study how many types of genders are there. Children, there are 4 types of gender. Okay, first is masculine gender. Nouns that tell about male sex belong to masculine gender. ठीक है, जो हमें पुरुष जाति का भेद बोध कराएं. Those who tell us about male things only, those are called masculine gender. Okay, like man, lion, hero, boy, father, etc. All these are masculine genders. Okay, examples. The boy has a sheep named Sky. Okay, so boy is a masculine gender. Sheep again is a masculine gender. He owns a good few ram. Feminine gender. Okay, feminine gender. Nouns that tell about female sex belong to feminine gender. जो हमें स्त्री का बोध कराएं, स्त्री जाति का. Okay, like woman, cow, hen, girl, queen, etc. All these are feminine genders. Examples. The girl is riding on a horse. So girl here is feminine gender. The mare runs fast as she can to win. Mare, ghodi, again is a feminine gender. Next is our common gender which we can use for both. Okay, for male or females. ठीक है, common gender है. Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. These can be either male or female like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousin, neighbor, etc. Okay, so these are the genders which we can use commonly for both, for boys and girls. ठीक है, जिससे हमें ये पता नहीं चले कि वो बॉय है या गर्ल है. लाइक चाइल्ड, child can be a baby girl, child can be a baby boy. Student can be a girl, can be a boy. Teacher can be ma'am or sir. Doctor can be female or male. So common gender we use for common things, okay, common persons. Example, a teacher doesn't have to be smart. The doctor seemed tired and in a hurry. So doctor and teacher both can be used for male or female. Neuter gender. Neuter gender, on neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. These are neither male nor female, like books, table, pen, gold, school and rock. These are usually non-living things. Okay, in neuter gender we consider non-living things. Okay, so we can't say, हम नहीं कह सकते कि जो things हैं these are male or female, like bed, chair, table, book, pencil, pen, eraser, school. Okay, these are all non-living things. So we can't say these things are male or female. Examples. The scissors are not sharp. This glue doesn't adhere to plastic. So glue and scissors both are things and non-living. So these are neuter gender. Okay. Now we will see formation of feminine from masculine gender. Okay. Masculine gender से feminine gender कैसे बनाएंगे? Some feminine nouns are formed from masculine by adding suffixes as ESS. Okay, sometime with a slight change, or INE as poet, add ESS, it will become poetess. Hero, add INE, it will become heroine. shepherd, add ESS, it will become shepherdess. Okay, so like this we can use. Next is for some feminine nouns are formed from masculine by changing the prefix or suffix. Okay, like cock sparrow will become hen sparrow. He goat will become she goat. Man servant will become maid servant. Landlord will become landlady. Okay, by changing the suffixes or prefixes. Many words have different words for the masculine and the feminine. कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जो बिल्कुल ही चेंज हो जाएंगे. वी कांट मेक मैस्कुलिन और फेमिनिन बाय एडिंग एनी वर्ड. बिल्कुल कंप्लीट हमें उन्हें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच यू हैव टू लर्न. देयर इज नो ट्रिक ऑफ मेकिंग दीज. बॉय, गर्ल, मैन, वुमेन, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, अंकल, आंट, नेफ्यू, नीस, बुल, cow, dog, bitch. Okay, these you have to learn, and there are many more which you have to learn. Now we will do exercise 1. Okay, identify the words if they are masculine, feminine, neuter or common gender. इससे आगे वाले do yourself. Governor, it is masculine. Heroine, feminine. Son-in-law, it's masculine. Plant, it's neuter. Okay, plant it is a non-living thing, so it is a neuter gender. Apple, neuter. Ice cream, neuter. Butterfly, neuter. Actor, male. Baby, common. Why? Because baby girl can be there or baby boy can be there. Next is exercise 2. Children, आपको sentences को दोबारा लिखना है by changing the gender of the nouns. Nouns का gender change करके sentences को दोबारा लिखना है. Okay, how? The mare was chasing the flies away with its tail. What is a noun here? Mare. Okay, mare. We will change it into horse. The horse was chasing the flies away with its tail. The Eves walked across the field in the line. We have to change here Eves. The sheep walked across the field in a line. The emperor will arrive in the court shortly. We have to change emperor. It will become empress. The empress will arrive in the court shortly. The dog was sleeping in the kennel. The bitch was sleeping in the kennel. The nun is conducting the confession today. The monk is conducting the confession today. Dog will be changed into bitch. Nun will be changed into monk. Is there a drake in your garden? It will become, is there a duck? Drake will change into duck. They have a lot of cows in the meadow. They have a lot of oxen in the meadow. Okay, cow will be changed into oxen. The heiress was very rich. The heir was very rich. Okay, means uttradhikari. I think she will remain a spinster for her life. I think he will remain. Children, whenever you will change the gender, आप उनसे related words भी change करोगे. Like यहाँ पे spinster था तो she था. हमने इसको change करना है completely, so we will change she into he. I think he will remain a bachelor for the rest of his life. Her life को भी his life. Ladies, please do as you seem fit. Gentlemen, please do as you seem fit. You will remain you because you is commonly used for both for male and female. The prince asked her to leave the palace. The princess asked her to leave the palace. Next is exercise 3. Masculine से feminine बनाना है. Stepson will become stepdaughter. Grandson will become granddaughter. Ram will become Eve. Lad will become lass. Milkman will become milkmaid. Peacock will become peahen. Buck will become doe. आपको ये लर्न करने पड़ेंगे. There is no trick of doing these. Write down the missing gender in the blanks. Masculine, feminine. Postmaster, post mistress. Fox, vixen. Station master, station mistress, policeman, police woman, earl, countess, landlord, landlady, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, horse, mare. Okay. Now children, your homework is learn all exercises of chapter 5. Okay. Now we will revise chapter 6. Children, along with gender we are going to revise number also. So it is our chapter 6, nouns, number. Okay, it is change the number from 1 to many, or we can say them singular and plural. Okay, हम इन्हें दूसरा क्या नाम देते हैं, singular and plural nouns. Okay, study the following sentences. The boy is writing his notebook. The boys are writing in their notebooks. Whenever you will change singular into plural, आप उसके साथ उसकी helping verb and other words भी change करोगे. Like यहाँ पे is था, हमने are करा, यहाँ पे his था, we have made it there. Okay, note that the nouns in the first sentence are singular number and the nouns in the second are in plural number. Also note how verbs change in their number. We need certain rules to change the singular nouns into plural forms. Okay, for the plural forms of most of nouns we add s. सबसे सिंपल है, हम एड एस लगा के उसको प्लूरल बनाते हैं. कैसे? बोटल, बोटल्स, कार, कार्स, पेंसिल, पेंसिल्स, स्टिकर, स्टिकर्स, कप, कप्स, बुक, बुक्स. ठीक है, सिंगुलर से प्लूरल, लाइक एप्पल, एप्पल्स. For the nouns ending in ch, sh, x, s or o sound, add es. Okay, box, x से end हो रहा है, we will add es. We will make it boxes. Mouse, ending with double s, add es. Brush, ending in sh. Okay, sh, add es. Brushes. Watch, watches. Bus, buses. Hero, heroes. For nouns ending in f or fe, change f to v and add es. ठीक है, जो भी नाउन f से एंड हो रहे हैं या fe से एंड हो रहे हैं, we will change f into v. f को कट करके v बना दो और उसके बाद es ऐड करो. Like wolf, cut f, add ves. It will become wolves. Leaf, leaves. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Thief, thieves. Army, y को कट करो, add ies. It will become armies. Nouns that end with consonant y, consonant plus y, change to ies. ठीक है, y से पहले consonant. Cherry, cherries. Fly, flies. Daisy, daisies. Activity, activities. Fairy, fairies. Nouns that end with the vowel plus y. ठीक है, y से पहले vowel, add s in the end. उसके end में s लगाना है. Day, look, y से end हो रहा है, इसके पीछे इस a है, it is a vowel, so we will add s. It will become days. Ray, rays. Monkey, monkeys. Plow, plows. Toy, toys. Boy, boys. F. A few nouns have some same singular and plural. कुछ nouns हैं जो same रहते हैं for singular and same for plural, like sheep, sheep. Aircraft, aircraft. Deer, deer. Species, species. Nouns that end in us, the plural ending is frequently I. Cactus, cacti. Focus, foci. Nouns that end in is, the plural ending is es. Ellipsis, ellipses. Analysis, analysis. Nouns that end in on, the plural ending is a. Phenomenon, phenomena. Criterion, criteria. Nouns that change in their spelling. ठीक है, कुछ nouns ऐसे हैं जिनको हम किसी ट्रिक से नहीं बना सकते. We have to learn and change their spelling. Tooth, teeth, goose, geese, man, men, ox, oxen, foot, feet, mouse, mice. Now exercise 1, children. Write the plural forms of the following. Dairy, dairies. Mango, mangoes. Watch, watches. Cargo, cargoes. Jeans will remain jeans. Formula will become formulae. Vertex will become vertices. Child, children. Thorn, thorns. Veto, vetoes. Fish will remain fish. Sky, skies. Lies, lies. Volcano, volcanoes. You have to learn all these, each and every word. Exercise 2. Tick the correct form of the noun in the each sentence. Correct को tick करना है. I have 3 children. Tick it. 1 dash sat by my side. Woman. Okay, 1 woman because it is women and it is for plural. Baby dash with bottle and toys. Okay. It will be babies क्योंकि अगर बेबी होता तो यहाँ प्लेज होता. I put too big है तो it will be potatoes. Tick it in the lunch box. A few men wear watches. I put a dash on the desk. एक है तो बुक आएगा. I saw some dash running about. ठीक है, some कुछ mice कुछ चूहे. There are few buses on the road today. Few कुछ buses आएंगी. Okay, अगर बस होता तो एक आता. Exercise 3. In the following sentences change the words in italics to plural. Italic word को plural बनाना है. The girl bought a glass in the tray. The girls bought glasses in the tray. My horse preferred to wear an English saddle. Horse will become horses. Saddle will become saddles. My car preferred love to jump in and my cat will become cats. Basket will become baskets. Man will become men. Tree will become trees. Jeans will remain jeans. Fish will remain fish. Rice will remain rice. Okay, now at last I would like to give you homework. You have to revise chapter 6 and learn all book exercises. Learn all the genders and numbers in chapter 5 and chapter 6. Okay, now I would like to request subscribe our YouTube channel AdQuack and like and share our videos. I hope you are enjoying your learning. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.